was meat in your heart. You never accepted me into your heart, and you may not enter into the kingdom of heaven. Please depart from me. Please depart from me. Sister Fake. Sister Fake, your name is exactly what it says. You were not true to people. You put on a different face in front of them, pretended to be sincere, and pretended to be their friend. You also did not accept me into your heart. You may not enter into the kingdom of heaven. Sister Gossip. Sister Gossip. Sister Gossip. You were faithful in church. You went to church every Sunday, every prayer meeting, every revival, every Friday night service. But you gossiped and you sowed discord among brethren. You may not enter into the kingdom of heaven. Sister Stuck Up.
I'm on my way to see the Lord. Yes, I'm about to step.
Sister Stuck Up. You sang on the praise team. You sang in the choir. And you always sang that your mind was made up. Your mind was not made up to serve me. You may not enter into the kingdom of heaven.
No, Lord, I'm a tithe payer, Lord. I'm a tithe pay my tithes. I give my offering. I help the pastor. I help the saints. I help feed the homeless. And you still won't let me in, Lord.
You may not enter.
Lord, have mercy. I'm so sorry. Give me another chance, please, Lord. Oh, Lord. I gotta get those.
Sister Runover. Sister Runover, you were a faithful member of your church, but you ran over the entire ministry. Because you ran over the entire ministry, You caused brethren to fight. You also did not accept me into your heart. You may not enter into the kingdom of heaven.
I'm pretty sure I accepted you at some point. I can't remember the exact day.
Please depart from me. Brother Rude.
That's me. Yeah, they say the best for last, baby. What you looking at? That's your turn. He called me.
Brother Rude, your legs were on fire for the music in church.
I can shout right now for you, Lord.
You danced. But you were merely doing exercise. You were rude to the pastor and to the members and very disrespectful. You didn't accept me into your heart. You may not enter into the kingdom of heaven.
Now, I want to let a few people talk to me like that.
Oh, God.
I am Brother Rude. Ain't that what your name is? All right, then. Now. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll be there when I get back.
Oh, Lord. Oh, God.
Jesus.
Sister R-I-G-H-T. Sister Wright. I have prepared a place for you. You simply repented of your sins. Receive me into your heart. You worshiped me. Your name is written in my book. You may enter into the kingdom of heaven. Mansions to live in. You shall live forever.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Help them. Help them, Jesus.
What was the name of the station?
Come and see. See. Get him, Joe.
What you got on? I got my
fishing rod, they said it's gonna be what's that in hell? A lake of fire? You know in heaven they gonna have a lake, so I'm going fishing.
Check the itinerary. Did we at the right station?
I don't know.
Don't tell me I missed the glory train. Please don't tell me I missed the glory train. After all of that playing, all that singing. I drank tea before I sang. It's your fault. And it's your fault too.
I got my uniform on.
I cannot believe it. I have lived for 40, 50, well, you 60. I've been living for 30 some years. 30 some years on this earth. I still can make it.